Why are company ratings so important for marketing? Well, first off, customers tend to trust reviews. In an article written by Forbes magazine called How Important Are Customer Reviews for Online Marketing, they said that 88% of customers trust online reviews just as much as a personal recommendation, which is astounding, considering most online reviews are posted by total strangers. When we, as customers, as we're going through and looking at reviews, we tend to try and look for the most positive reviews. However, a blend of good and bad reviews show that a company isn't trying to hide anything. It actually makes the reviews seem more sincere. Now, the only thing you want to watch out for is making sure that negative reviews aren't outweighing the positive reviews. But having a blend of both shows that people have actually tested the product and are giving their sincere review about the product that online customers can trust. In fact, Yelp says that on average, a 1-star increase on Yelp can lead to a 5 to 9% increase in a business revenue. However, one single negative review can cost you up to 30 customers. The next part about online reviews is that it creates a company's online presence. Now, the reason this is so important is because 90% of people will first check out a business online. That is what will help them decide whether or not to actually visit the business. So reviews can cause an increase in customer satisfaction when they first see it online and cause them to want to visit your real business. The next thing is that online reviews can give customers a clearer picture of what to expect from you. If they go and see a lot of negative reviews, then they're going to expect a negative experience. But if they see positive reviews, then they will expect that the company actually has a positive experience, and that will also increase your revenue. The next and final thing that I got off of a blog called Planet Marketing, Why Are Reviews So Important? They said that positive reviews can create a higher search engine optimization. Now, if you are an online business or you have an online website as a business, search engine optimization is the most important thing to work on because that is what's going to bring you to the top of a search page when customers are looking for what to buy, what to eat, where to visit. So search engine optimization can be increased by positive reviews because of Google's algorithm that they use by where your company pops up on when something is being searched. So online reviews are super important for a company's online marketing. It will either cause revenues or it will cause you to lose customers. So it's really important to have positive online presence and to have positive reviews.